Hi and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you one way of using table.buffer in the Power Query. So I have my data here and my problem is I wanted to get the latest date, and then on that latest date, I wanted to get the maximum sales per product. So I will solve it first using Excel formulas. So what I'm going to do is to select my data here, put it in here, and then I'm going to sort this whole table. So go to the Home tab and then sort it from newest to oldest. So as you can see, my data here is based on the current date first. And then I'm going to select my product here, put it in another cell. I will get the unique product. So I will remove the duplicates. Go to Data tab and then remove duplicates. Okay. Then I'm going to sort it. That's not necessary, but I will sort it out. And this time A to Z, and that's it. So I got my unique product here. I will get the date. So what is the latest date? I'm gonna apply maximum formula and an if. So if my product here is equal to the product column, then return whatever is in the date column, and then close it, and then you need to enter Control Shift Enter altogether. So that's a serial number for the date. Let's format it. And that's it. I'm going to copy it and paste it. Control V. And we have the date, we have the product. Let's get the maximum sales. So I'm going to apply max ifs. And then my max range will be the sales column. And then criteria range 1 will be the date. And then if that is matched in this date here per product, then the second range will be the product. If that is equal to the product here. And then enter. And then copy and paste it again. That's it. That's the data that I wanted to get. Now let's check it manually. So this is for apple. That's the maximum sales. And also for banana, row 6. For lemon, that's gonna be row 4. It's maximum sales on that current date. Orange will be this one, but it's not the maximum. Let's get this entry here. Then pear will be the first one here, the Feb 11. That's it. So that's correct now. You can check it. Now let's do this in the Power Query. Go to Data tab from Table Range. Okay. So let's rename it as Trial 1. And then here, let's first change the date type here. Remove the time. Okay. Let's follow the Excel formula. So what we did on the date is to sort it descending so that we get the latest date. And then for the sales, also descending. And then on the product column, right click and then remove duplicates. And then sort again the product ascending. So that's it. That's the process, right? Let's check it. Let's load it. Close and load to. And then in an existing worksheet, okay. Let's check this. So that's not correct. So there's a problem here because not all of our data has been evaluated with all of the steps that we've taken in the Power Query. So we need to have table.buffer for that. So I'm going to go back to my queries and connection. So I'm going to go back to the data tab here. Queries and connection. Let's duplicate this table. Right click and then duplicate. Let's call it trial 2. And in here, before we apply the formula on the sorted rows step, I'm gonna put table.buffer using the formula part. Table.buffer, put it in a buffer so that all of our data will be evaluated all throughout. Enter. And that's it. Continue the process. We have the table.buffer. We remove the duplicates. And then also sort the rows. And that's it. Let's load this again. Close and load to in existing worksheet. And okay. Let's check this if that is the exact table that we have. Let's first check the amount. Okay, 0. So that means no difference. And as you can see, that's the exact data on this table. So that's correct now. So that's the efficient use of table.buffer using this example. So I'm pretty sure I'm done. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Click the subscribe button and see you next time, and thanks.